Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. My name is Arsen and today I'll be showing you one of my favorite techniques. This client came in with a natural level 4 base and wanted to be as bright as possible. Starting from the nape area, I worked my way up using a bricklay pattern. I'm using Schwarzkopf Blondie Lightener with 20 volume and Olaplex and only 6 volumes for her ends. Using 1/2 inch to 1 inch subsections, I backcombed the shorter hairs away. Here's a pro tip for you guys. As you can see, I added my tail comb right into the tease and secured it with a clip. That will keep the teased hair away and the comb secured. Heat lamps are a great tool to have in the salon when working with foils, especially with stubborn darker hair or when you need that extra push to become a little bit lighter. Now I don't know about you guys, but I can watch foil pulls all day. Now that we reached our highest possible lift, we rinse, apply Olaplex number 2, which also by the way helps with brushing the back comb out, and I will be making a video shortly on how to brush out that hair quickly with minimal breakage and less pain. To tone, we are applying Schwarzkopf Gora Royal 951 with 7 volume. I began applying from the right front quadrant, but you can start from whichever you'd like. Make sure you saturate the product very well through the hair. Also, to ensure product distribution, use a wide tooth comb after you're done applying. Add a little bit of a bridge at the demarcation line to add some blending, and after you're done applying, let that process for about 20 minutes to watch it transform. Here's what it looks like while it's toning. For styling, apply the heat protector of your choice, brush it through and begin blow drying. This was a very fun project for the client and I. The client was absolutely surprised at how light we were able to get her. And there you have it, a gorgeous finish with me disrupting in the background. Guys, if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button so it can help the YouTube algorithm and have other stylists discover this video and potentially learn a brand new technique. Also, if you would like to see more of these video tutorials, hit that subscribe button and leave a comment in the comment section below. I will be posting these videos as often as I can.